How you doing, man?
Not too bad. And a band over there from 9 to 1.
Oh, is that right?
That's
You mind if I take a picture of you?
yeah.
I do street. That's what I'm doing. I do street photography. I go around small towns, take pictures, and everything.
Loretta Lynn is my mother's cousin. Her mother's name is Clarence Webb.
Uh-huh. Oh, Loretta Lynn?
Yeah, her mother is my mother's aunt.
Oh, okay. Let me see what I'm getting here. Oh, this is good. Okay.
That I got right?
Yeah. Oh, you look great, man. That's why I want to get a shot. I'm testing this camera out.
All right.
And if you got an email address, Teddy, I'll send you a shot if you'd like.
I don't have an email.
Okay.
You can, I think.
You're probably here all the time, though, aren't you?
Cliff has got an email address.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's
right. Let's get one shot. I'm going to zoom in here and show what this zoom can do here. Give me a look there, Teddy. Excellent. Excellent. One more here. Make sure I'm in focus. Because I can't. Wait a minute. What am I doing here? Is that? Yeah, okay. Excellent.
This is a gathering place like for birthdays, for weddings.
Right.
And it's pretty neat. It's pretty nice. They have cakes and everything else.
Right. Everybody goes to do their thing, huh?
Yeah. Beautiful lights.
Cool. All right, I'm gonna walk down this way. See what else I can find out here. All right, sir. Thanks, Teddy. Okay, this could be kind of a cool shot here. Since there's nobody to really give me a hard time about it. Anytime you see a street light like this, or a light that's by itself, it can be very cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-adjust here to about 1/25 of a second, 5.6, and I just want to get a picture of this street light here. No reason. This one up here, no reason, just kind of cool. Whoops. Very neat. There's just something neat about this. How you doing, man? Just out taking pictures.
Oh, yeah?
Cool light, kind of, when you look at it like that, you know. So here's what we've got going on, guys. We've got the, once again, we've got the K70, the Pentax K70. Got the 18 to 135 lens on here. And I also got this JJC thumb grip. And as I showed you here, the way you hold that works out very well like that. So that's our setup here. It's kind of a heavy camera. It is not a mirrorless camera, so there is a mirror in there. You hear it clacking all the time. But what I really like about this camera is the weather sealing. So once it's raining and snowing, that's where this camera is really going to come into play. And it is built like a tank. It's nice and heavy. And now your screen, you do have your, I don't know why I'm trying to hold this up, you do have your, okay, so we do have the tilt screen here with the K70, which makes it very nice because you can walk like this, so maybe we can both see here what we're doing. And we'll just go ahead, and I've got it on autofocus. So I'm going to put this on TAV. When we got TAV, we're going to set our shutter and our aperture. So we'll set our shutter at about 120, about 1/60th of a second. And for some depth of field, we will go with f7.1. Again, we are maxed out. The way you set your ISO to max out, you hit the up button here. You can see right there, we're at 1600. If we change here, you can see that we can go wherever we want. I'm just going to leave it at 1600, and hopefully we can stay within those parameters today. So I'll try to shoot as much as I can like this, and we'll see if we turn it this way. I can get the whole street sign in there. Very cool. And boom. All right. Let's see what else we can do here. Again, I'm keeping this around 18. This goes 18 to 135. So here's 18. And let's see what we can do here. Here's 18. And I'm just going to zoom all the way into 135 from that same perspective. So that's from all the way from 18 to 135. Kind of neat. Maybe, maybe not. Never know really until you get into Lightroom. Kind of like that. That's pretty neat. Alrighty. So we've got this very cool, if you can see this, in the middle of the road. E for Edinburgh. That's where we're at. So let's see if we can get a shot of this. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in so we don't get the girl in the car. So we're at about 35 here, right before the car comes. There we go. That's kind of neat. Oh, there's no car. See, we're peaking, blowing out there a little bit, but that's okay. Oh, that's cool. So I'm going to zoom in up here. There's a really neat, if you can see this here, if I can pull up, there's a really neat antenna up there, top of this pole. So I'm going to shoot up here. You won't be able to see. Well, let's see if you can see this or not, but we're going to see if we can get this here. Let's see where we at. There we are. I'm going to zoom all the way into 135. Okay, zoomed all the way into 135 on that. Very cool. Shoot straight up the pole here. I don't know if that'll do anything or not. We're just out here testing the camera out, having a good time. How you doing there? Oh, there's kind of neat. Pull this all the way back. All right, so we're going to go down to handheld. See how well this comes in at 1/30th of a second. Handheld, 1/30th of a second, handheld. And we'll see how that one does. Alrighty. Not a touch screen, so don't have to worry about that. Okay, kind of cool here. Whoops, can't hold that at 1/30th. Okay, so let me pull this out. Okay, we are pulled out at 18, so I have to use my feet to back up here. Alright, here we go. Focusing on bar and grill. Sometimes just changing the angle can make for a better photo. Matter of fact, let me shoot it up here a little bit. I'm trying to shoot up. I don't know if you can see that or not. There you go. And all I did was basically focus in the middle and hope for the best. Again, I can make adjustments in Lightroom should I need to. So let's continue on. Actually, sometimes behind these buildings you can find some really cool photos. The way these doors are all blown out, see how cool that looks over there behind there? If you can see that or not. You see that flashing, but it's really, it's not blown out. Matter of fact, so let me go ahead and grab some of that sky. Okay, so now we've got this here, which is really cool. So let's see what we get here. I'm just at wide open at 18. Again, the sweetest spot in this is going to be between 35 and 70. Very likely between 35 and 70. But again, this is a situation where for me to frame these right, unless I just back way up, which I can. Of course, the more you zoom, the more you lose your wide angle perspective, and sometimes that wide angle perspective is very nice. Okay, so now you can see, of course, we've got it very well framed, so I can go up to, let's say 24. Can be dark? No, not really too dark. Okay, still got some of the sky in there. Okay, we've got this awning here. Nothing spectacular, but it's a weird color, so that makes it pretty cool. Somebody left their Coke in front of it. So I'm going to move this Coke. So that I may get a good photo. Okay, I don't want the car on the corner, so here we go. Go ahead and frame this up. Okay, so it's zooming in there. And boom. Okay. See if that's see if that sky's washed out or not, as it showed it being blown out on here. Okay, well, we'll get a shot of this.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I do appreciate you tuning in and checking it out. Here's my top 5 favorite shots from this video. Let me know what you think. Please like, please subscribe. I'll have more videos coming out on the Pentax K70. Let me know what you think of this camera. I think it's a tank. I love it, and I'll be doing more videos on it, so please subscribe so you can check those out. Let me know what you think, guys. We'll see you on the next one.